Are you working out regularly but not seeing results? The problem might not be your body, it might be the mistakes you are repeating every day. In this video, you will discover the most common workout mistakes that block fat loss, muscle growth, and strength, and what to do instead. Watch till the end, and a special challenge, plus an important request from you to support this channel. Let's start with mistake number 1, which almost everyone makes in the beginning. Mistake 1, no warm-up. Jumping straight in. Many people go from sitting to heavy exercise with no warm-up, which increases the risk of muscle strains and joint pain and reduces performance during the workout. Proper warm-up increases heart rate, raises body temperature, and prepares muscles and joints, helping movements feel smoother and safer. 3 to 5 minutes of marching in place, light jogging, arm circles, hip rotations, or body weight squats before starting intense sets. Skipping your warm-up is like starting a race with cold muscles. Your body is not ready, and your performance and safety both suffer. Mistake 2, using wrong form just to lift more. Many people sacrifice technique just to lift heavier weights or do more reps, which shifts load to the wrong muscles and overloads joints like the lower back, knees, and shoulders. Good form keeps tension on the target muscles and reduces injury risk, while ego lifting often leads to pain and slow progress. Rounding the back in squats or deadlifts, half reps in push-ups, or swinging weights using momentum instead of controlled movement. Your muscles don't count the weight. They feel the tension and quality of the movement. Clean form beats heavy cheating every time. Mistake 3, no plan, random, inconsistent workouts. Many people do random exercises based on trends or mood, with no weekly structure. So some muscles are overtrained while others are ignored. Full body 3 days a week, or split routines that cover all major muscle groups over the week. Tracking workout sets, reps, exercises helps you see progress and prevents just doing whatever each day. Working out without a plan is like traveling without a map. You get tired, but you don't reach your destination. Mistake 4, training too hard. Too soon. Beginners often push too hard at the start, too many sets, too heavy, too frequent, which leads to soreness, fatigue, and sometimes quitting altogether. Start at a manageable level and gradually increase weight, reps, or time as the body adapts. Discomfort is normal. Sharp pain is not. Rest days are part of growth, not laziness. Your journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Smart progress beats brutal burnout. Mistake 5, ignoring recovery, sleep, and nutrition. Many people think only about the workout itself and forget that muscles grow and repair during rest, not while lifting. Poor sleep and low-quality food can slow recovery, reduce energy, and make workouts feel harder, even if the routine is good. Aim for consistent sleep, stay hydrated, and support training with balanced nutrition: protein, healthy carbs, and fats instead of junk food. Training is only one pillar. Recovery and nutrition are the other two that hold your results together. Mistake 6, only doing cardio or only doing weights. Some people do only cardio like running or cycling and ignore strength training, which can limit muscle tone, bone strength, and long-term metabolism. Others do only weights and never move their heart rate, missing important cardiovascular and endurance benefits: strength for muscles and bones, and cardio for heart and lungs. Even if each is done in short sessions, think of your fitness as a team. Strength, cardio, mobility, and recovery all need to play together. Mistake 7, copying others, ignoring individual needs. Many people copy advanced workouts from influencers or friends without considering their own age, fitness level, injuries, or goals. Beginners need simpler movements, fewer sets, and more focus on form, while advanced athletes can handle more volume and complexity. Use easier variations: knee, push-ups, wall squats, lighter weights, and build up gradually. Your body is unique. Your workout should respect your level, not someone else's highlight reel. Mistake 8. Expecting quick results and quitting. Many people expect visible changes in a few days or weeks, and when they do not see big changes, they lose motivation. Strength, stamina, and mood often improve before big visual changes. And consistency over months is what transforms the body. Lifting a bit more, finishing a workout without stopping improves sleep or energy, better mood. Real transformation is built from small wins stacked day after day. Results follow patience, not impatience. If you recognized yourself in any of these mistakes, that's not a failure, that's a wake-up call. Awareness is the first step to change. You don't need a perfect workout. You just need to avoid these common errors and focus on consistent, smart training. Progress is not about being perfect. It is about being a little better than yesterday. Every corrected mistake is a step closer to your goals. If this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with a friend who is working hard but not seeing results. Follow for more simple fitness guidance, and hit subscribe so you never miss the next useful episode.